So in this section, I'll briefly take you through how to import transaction data from Excel. Whether you want to import savings data, loan data, commodity, all kinds of payment transaction. So to do that, you go under administration. Under administration, you will see import members data, import savings data, import loan data. The one that we're concerned about is the import savings data. Take note that the import savings data comprises of data that goes beyond savings. So it's from that section that you'll be able to import both savings, loan repayment, commodity repayment, and other special deposit repayment. So on that page, you will see upload savings and loan data. And then there are 3 steps to it. First, you will need to download the Excel sample so that you put your record and your data in the right format that is required by the system. Let's have a look at that example. So look at that sample. You can briefly just look. So this is what your Excel will look like. Your Excel will look like this, and you have to follow strictly this format. So starting with the transaction date will be, it can be the full date, it can be half date, just like I have March 2025. If you want to put the precise date, then it can be 6th of March 2025. So you specify the transaction date in this column, and then after that transaction date, you have the membership number for each of the persons that you want to upload their transaction. Then you have the full name of the members. Then after that, you have the savings contribution. You enter the figure. You have the share capital, and then you have the loan repayment. So then from that, you have the commodity repayment, and then you have a special deposit. So each of these, you can enter the transaction. For instance, I have here March 2025, which is the record for this particular member, Mr. Frank. And then for March 2025, if I upload this record, the system will credit Mr. Frank's savings with 5,000 Naira, and then his share capital will be credited with 1,000 Naira, and then a loan payment of 21,000 will be posted for Mr. Frank, and the commodity will be 0, the deposit will be 0. So then you do this for all the other members. Take note that this record can take multiple months. So the first person can be March 2025, the next one can be April 2025, and it can also be multiple years of entry. So if you are doing it for just one single month, you just need to enter records of one single month for everybody and then upload it. There's a section within Coopsolve where you can download a template that will have all the membership number and their name and the month. So once you download that template, all you just have to do is to enter the figure for each of the areas where you want to enter those figures. So I've prepared my Excel. I'm ready to upload this. To upload this, I can go under administration, and then I can go under administration and then go to import savings record, and then from that savings record I can then begin to import. So let's try and import this. I'll go to that tab where all right, so in this tab, so on this tab you can then bring in your Excel and enter the Excel file that you have. I'll clear all of this drawing. All right. So from here, we assume that we already have our Excel file and we're ready to upload. To upload, I'll scroll down here. You will see a browse section that is asking me to select the Excel file. I'll click on that and then go and select the Excel file that I want to upload, which I've already prepared. That's this Excel. It has all of the information I want to upload. Then I'll click on open. Then you click on process data. So once you click on process data, the system takes you to the next page. So from this page, I'll need to match those information. So each records here are the information in my Excel file. So you can see that Mr. Frank is here, the 5,000. So the system is just showing me all the information in my Excel file so that I can preview and then agree whether this information are correct or not. Now, after showing me that information, I can see here on my Excel file, this record, I labeled it as transaction date. Then in the column under it, you need to match that to transaction date. So I match transaction date to my transaction date. So I have membership number. I'll match that to members number. Then full name, I can match that to members name. Then savings contribution, I'll match that to savings credits. Then you have share capital, I'll match that to share capital. Then loan repayment, I'll match that to loan repayment. So you just have to select the respective field that correctly match the headings in the Excel files. Then you have commodity repayment. I'll match that to commodity repayment. But then I can see in my Excel that deposit credit, everything in deposit credit is virtually zero. So I'll just leave that as ignore record. Then I'll leave the other deposit record as ignore record too. I can as well leave the commodity repayment too as ignore record because everything inside this commodity is just 00000. So I can just ignore that. And then once I'm satisfied that all of this record has been properly matched, I can scroll down and then at the last part of the page, I'll click on import records. So this will import all of this record from the Excel and then post all of those transactions. So you see from here, it's saying that I have posted 13 records has been imported successfully. So this is how you import your record from Excel. And the system handles the rest. All the loan repayment will have been posted under loan transaction. All the savings will have been posted under savings, and all the share capital will be posted under share capital. So if you go under a member's account, you'll be able to view those records that were posted and then be able to verify whether those records really have been posted or not. All right, so that's how to post records from Excel. If you have any question, you can post it within our knowledge sharing forum so that someone can attend to you. Thank you very much.